on for some weird reason. Oh yeah. Look at her. Look at her. Got the block painted already. Yeah, boy. She's almost ready. Yeah, I painted the head. So this is gonna be blue. And the intake side. On the exhaust side, it's gonna be silver. Yeah. Look at that. Transformation, man. Look at that. Just gotta do this. This is almost prepped. Just need a little bit more sanding, and the new head gasket is ready to be installed. You know, the cylinder, gotta take a little bit more carbon off the cylinder, the liners, and the combustion chamber. But yeah, this motor is almost ready to be put back together. But gotta go back to work, gotta put a new clutch in it. Got quite a bit of stuff to do. Gotta paint that. That's getting swapped out. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff here to do. Yeah, stay tuned. Please like, share, subscribe. Until next time.